how's it going? Welcome again. Today we have another part that I'm gonna unbox. And this part is, I guess the idea of this particular part is just really a no-name brand. We're just gonna look at the quality of a no-name brand, generic brand of, these are Type X lights for the 180SX. I got this from a company called Casa Key TW, and I'm going to unbox this and see how they look. Pretty excited. And we're just going to check the quality, and you know, you can just see for yourself if this is the kind of thing you want to get. Or I know the Circuit Sports, I've had the Circuit Sports one and I can definitely recommend it. Quality is pretty good. They all are, I guess they come out of Taiwan. This says this was made in Taiwan. This was $53 shipped, so this is pretty cheap, nothing too crazy here. Very complicated box here. It has a part number TW037. Kind of like TE37s, but a lot cheaper. Dear customer, thank you for your purchase. Hope you enjoyed your online transaction. Positive. Please don't leave negative feedback without first conwatching us. Conwatching us. Con what? CONTWCTING. We're looking forward to receiving your next order in the near future. Thanks. I know they mean well. Oh. Satisfaction is always guaranteed. I'm just giving them a hard time. I'm sure they do great business, but that's really funny. That's hilarious. Let's take a look and see. All right. Casa Key TW Auto Parts. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oh, they have a Facebook. They have an eBay, YouTube. So they're probably great. Great. A bunch of different parts, a bunch of different lights for a bunch of different cars, and it's really cool that they actually do the 180SX lights. Frankly, right off the bat, they look exactly like the Circuit Sports ones. I'm sure they're different in some sort of way, and I'm sure they have zero warranty like anything that's no name brand. But let's take a look and see how this looks. Looks pretty good to me. Ooh, it even has RL here. Obviously it doesn't come with any hardware or anything like that. I don't know if I need to open the second one for you. But it actually says Casa on here, so I guess this is made by them, pretty made by them. I don't see anything really bad about it. I So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to modify this and actually put some actual headlight, like 5,000 lumen LED lights in here to complement the other headlights that I have. So hopefully they'll look pretty good. Other than that, I think that's it. I mean, I'll open the other one just to verify that, you know, they're both in good shape. But I'm actually happy with the shipping. I'm happy with the quality of it. $53, you know. It's a big pet peeve of people that have the body kits that don't run these because they're $53. Come on. Like, you have a lot more in your build, a lot more in the body kit. Just get them. You know, you don't have lights in them, just get them so you don't have these holes and people are like not sure why. I think more people are buying them to complete their setup, but it's been a while. It's been a while since it's happened. So they look pretty good to me. I don't have anything else I need to say. I think that's it for me. Thanks again for watching. I'll create a video when I put the lights in here, and hopefully you can see how to do that. I'm probably just going to do some sort of glue or epoxy, and because the pattern's going to be different because they're not designed for stuff that bright. But I'll do a video later on that. So if you want to be notified, please subscribe. And if you like the video, like it. If you didn't like the video, then you know what to do. All right. See you guys later. Bye-bye.